In this video, we're going to dive into how to use AI to create high-converting sales copy that drives results quickly and easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to harness AI for writing sales copy that hooks your audience and converts them into customers. Stick with me because I'll show you how to use it in a way that feels effortless and effective. So first, let's talk about why you need AI in your copywriting process. The truth is, AI can help you create persuasive, engaging copy much faster than doing it by hand. Whether you're a beginner or experienced writer, this tool will give you a leg up by providing creative prompts, structuring your content, and even optimizing your messaging for conversion. Now, let's get to the meat of it. Using AI to write sales copy. Start by giving the software a clear prompt. You want to provide it with a product description or the main points you want to highlight, but keep it simple. The clearer you are, the better the results. For example, you might start by saying, write a sales page for a new skincare product aimed at women over 40. Once the software has the basic info, let it generate some options. It might give you a few different hooks, headlines, and body copy. Don't settle for the first one, look at it as a brainstorming tool. Compare the options and pick what resonates the most. You'll want to test and tweak it, but the software will give you the foundation you need. Here's a key trick. Use AI to help you structure your copy. The AI can suggest formulas based on proven high-converting templates. These can include emotional hooks, benefits, and a strong call to action. It will even optimize the wording to be concise and impactful, so you're not wasting space. Next, let's talk about making sure your copy actually converts. AI can help with that too. It'll analyze tone, readability, and emotional appeal. The software we're using will even suggest edits to improve these areas, ensuring your copy sounds human, engaging, and persuasive. This step is where the magic happens. AI works behind the scenes to polish your copy and ensure it's persuasive from start to finish. Here's the best part. I've tried all the popular tools out there, and I found one that stands above the rest. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial available in the description below, only for my viewers. That's a deal you don't want to miss. As a key takeaway, remember that AI is a powerful tool that can help you create high-converting sales copy faster with less effort and more effectiveness. By giving it clear instructions, testing your options, and using the structure it suggests, you can create persuasive content that drives action. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below. To quickly recap, start by providing clear instructions to the software, use it to brainstorm and structure your content, and let it help refine your copy for readability and conversion. With AI, creating high-converting sales copy doesn't have to be complicated. You can get results faster and more efficiently than ever before. And as always, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial in the description. It's exclusive to you as a viewer of my channel, so don't miss out. Happy copywriting.